what we are getting to know at this point of time is Aisha Christina Ben, founder and CEO, Neighborhood Woof. Am I audible to you, Aisha Christina?
Yes, yes, hi.
Yes. Hello, welcome to the telecast. Uh, when you heard this Supreme Court's directive, as well as when you heard the today's hearing as well, what do you think when the implementation on this scale, do you think the authorities are equipped to handle something like this? And do you think sterilization and vaccination is enough of a solution as well? And in terms of this, we have also seen that Supreme Court has also slammed the authorities, MCD as well, talking about their inaction as well. Your perspective on this?
So the idea of putting 8 lakh dogs, and let's right there talk about the livestock census says 70,000. There's an SDMC census that says 1,70,000. Right here is the last point you mentioned about slamming the authorities for telling us for 10 years that they're going to do a census and not. So without actually taking the larger perspective and just looking at the order for what it is and saying, okay, we're going to try and put an entire species of a city into and the outskirts. It's not clear where those outskirts stop. Into pounds doesn't make sense at all because we don't even know the number of dogs we're dealing with. Our estimation says anywhere between 6 to 8 lakhs we are talking about here. That's 13,000 pickups in a single day. This is it's not possible. I am one of the 20 empaneled centers. During G20, when dogs were rounded up from a lot of the VIP locations, the 20, back then there were 14 in 2023. Those centers filled up with under 1,000 dogs very quickly. So it is not going to be possible to put in so many dogs in a shelter. As for sterilization and vaccination, it's not a little bit of evidence here and there. Ample evidence right up from the 60s till now that clearly substantiate how ABC and vaccination work. If you look, in fact, we have all been doing our research for today's case. And if you look at the data released by the ministries, by the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, you will see that there are 0 rabies deaths since 2022. 0. Human rabies deaths are 0. That's a sign that vaccination is working in Delhi. The 48 cases you hear about are referrals to Delhi hospitals from neighboring areas. So what's the lesson we learn here? We should be taking our expertise to the outskirts, to the smaller towns, instead of saying our ABC is not working. I have been talking off and on record about the poor state of infrastructure. My centers all over the news right now, and you can see for yourself, it's under construction. We have put in public funding, CSR funding, to repairing this infrastructure because it was in such a horrible state. My center manager contracted rotavirus from rat urine falling into her food because our roofing had completely collapsed. So let's address the issues with ABC, and that I think is what we're trying to say to the Supreme Court and what everyone's been trying to say to the Supreme Court, not only from the public space, but the lawyers as well. This order was passed without taking into account expertise. The expertise was written off as animal lovers. Whereas if you look at my center, I'm a municipality empaneled center. If you look at my center, about last year's numbers, around 630 to 50 dogs were brought by the municipality with all its zonal catching infrastructure and the poles and so on. And animal lovers brought 2,400 dogs, or we went and caught them with animal lovers. They are brilliant sources of information for their local dogs. We need to be working with them. Dog bites have a solution. I've just addressed rabies. Dog bites have a solution. We are an organization that actually follows the AWBI SOPs, picks up biting dogs. In fact, even before we pick up the biting dog, we collect a lot of information about who he bit, what is the surrounding area like. We work along with the local administration, which could be an RWA or it could be a college administration. We get information from the person who feeds the dog, try and understand what the stress and triggers are to bring it down. I had stepped into this conversation as Kamna was speaking, and in fact, there is actual data by Dr. Rees in Jaipur to show the relationship between pregnant females, lactating mothers, and dog bites. There is a spike in the season of dog bites just after mating, 2 to 3 months after mating, when the females are in fact lactating. So we need to be tackling this. The most important thing that you need to remember is this kind of knee-jerk reaction. You want to forget about the animal lovers for a second? Let's do that. Uh, what's happening here is you are actually reducing the vaccination coverage of an area. WHO says 70 to 75% of an area, if the dogs are vaccinated, rabies cannot spread. You are picking up a large number of sterilized, vaccinated dogs from an area and moving them away. You're not picking up 8 lakh in one go. You don't have the infrastructure. So all that's going to keep happening is more dogs, the vacuum effect that everyone is talking about. The second thing is, my center, if it's going to fill up with sterilized and vaccinated dogs, where am I going to keep dogs for post-operative care? So basically, your sterilization program is going to come to a halt. So while we're arguing about 73, 5, 7 lakhs, the dogs are going to become 10 lakhs. This is not the answer. And instead of relying on data, here I will say a simple exercise like microchipping. Transforms surveillance. It's not an expensive affair when bought in bulk for such a large number of dogs. It could be as low as 200 rupees a microchip. It's a permanent vaccination record on the dog. So you can scan and check at any given point in time when that vaccine was done. It would automatically eliminate the double counting and a lot of the trouble that we face. In the wards we're working, we have animal lovers giving us Excel sheet after Excel sheet of their dogs. We work together to solve the problem with the people who are afflicted by the problem or by bites and the problems of pack of dogs. Data sharing is most important.
All right.